Hello, my dear students. This is Ikhlaq Sir Physics, faculty at Resonance Class Hanwara. So today I am with you with a beautiful concept of the mechanics, and that is motion of block down the inclined plane. Okay. Now see here. So there are two blocks in this very problem. One block is having a mass of 8 kg, and another block has a mass of 2 kg. All right. Now what we are supposed to calculate is that the acceleration of the blocks, number one. Number second is that we have to calculate the tension in the string. Okay, so let me focus first of all on the block 8 kilogram. How many forces are there on the 8 kilogram? There are, number one is tension the string in the upward direction. In the downward direction there will be force, and that is the component of the weight, which will be equal to mg sine theta. So that will be in turn equal to 8 into g into sine, what is the angle here, that equals to 30 degree. All right. Okay, now you know that acceleration due to gravity we take that as 10 meter per second square. Sin 30 तो आपको पता होगा, that's equal to 1/2. 8 into 10 is 80. 80 divided by 2, that comes out to be 40 Newton. So what is the component of the weight in the downward direction? That is 40 Newton. All right. Number one. Number second is that the weight of this 2 kilogram in the downward direction, that will be equal to 2 into g is equal to 20 Newton. Now see that this 40 Newton, it is greater than this 20 Newton. When the 40 Newton is greater than the 20 Newton, तो इसका मतलब the acceleration of this block will be downwards, it will be down the inclined plane, and the acceleration of this 2 kilogram block, it will be vertically upwards. Okay, so first point is that we have to calculate the acceleration. So let me calculate the acceleration by using Newton's second law of motion. And what is Newton's second law of motion? Newton's second law of motion is that acceleration of a system is equal to total force, the net force on the system, divided by the net mass of the system. All right. Now in this system there are how many blocks? There are two blocks. One is 8 kilogram, another is 2 kilogram. There is tension in the string, there is tension in the string. They will form action reaction pair, so they will cancel in pairs. They will not contribute to the acceleration. Okay, which force will contribute to the acceleration will be 80 Newton, sorry, this 40 Newton, and another is 20 Newton. Okay, now this 40 Newton, it is in the direction of acceleration, and this 20 Newton, it is opposite to the direction of acceleration. So what does that mean? That means 40 Newton, I will take that positive, and 20 Newton, I will take that negative. Okay, so it will be like this. It is 40 Newton minus 20 Newton divided by how many blocks are there? Two blocks. What is their net mass? That is 8 plus 2. So let me write it here. It is 8 plus 2. Okay, now you tell me, dear students, what is 40 minus 20 equal to? That's equal to 20. Then 8 plus 2, that's equal to 10. 20 divided by 10 will be equal to 2. So the acceleration comes out to be what? It comes out to be 2 meter per second square is the acceleration of the two blocks, of both the blocks. And acceleration of both the blocks will be same. Why that will be same? Because these two blocks, they are connected by a common string. Okay, so we are done with the acceleration. Now what is part B? Part B is that we are supposed to calculate the tension in the string. Okay, now in order to calculate tension in the string, what I will do is that I will make a free body diagram for one of the two blocks, either for this block or for this block. All right, so here we have, this is 8 kilogram block. Let me make it for this. So this is 8 kilogram block. Now on this 8 kilogram block there are two forces. Acceleration iska kya hai? That's equal to 2. How many forces are there on this? Two forces. One towards right, another towards left. So ये वाला force किसके बराबर है? This is equal to 40. What about this force? This is equal to T, which we are supposed to calculate. Again, in order to calculate T, I will again apply the Newton's second law of motion. And here what the Newton's second law of motion is this: mass into acceleration of a system is equal to sum of all the forces on the system, on this block. All right, then I will do one thing, and that is I will take that force positive, which is in the direction of acceleration, and that force negative, which is opposite to it. Okay, so dekh lo beta, what's the mass of this block? 8. What is the acceleration? So that will be equal to 8 into 2, which is equal to 16. And then how many forces are there? Two forces. Take this as positive and take this force as negative. So it will be equal to 40 minus T. Okay, bring this T here. It will be equal to 40 minus 16. What this 40 minus 16 equals to? It equals to 24 Newton. Okay, so in this very problem, we have calculated what is the acceleration of both the blocks, number one. Number second, we have calculated what is the tension in the string, which comes out to be 24 Newton. Okay, so the problem is done. See you next time with another mesmerizing problem of physics. Take care.